Imagine waking up one morning to find everything you've ever known, every comfort and certainty wiped clean. This is not the aftermath of a cataclysmic event, nor the result of some alien invasion, but rather the dawn of a new era, the 0 day on Earth. 0 day on Earth, a concept that has intrigued and terrified us in equal measure, is a scenario where life as we know it is abruptly reset or altered. It's not about the end of the world, but rather the beginning of a new one. A world where the rules we've known no longer apply, where everything familiar is suddenly foreign. In this new world, survival is not guaranteed, it's earned. The conveniences of our current life, like supermarkets brimming with food or hospitals filled with life-saving technology, are no more. It's back to basics, back to the primal instincts that once guided our ancestors. We must hunt, gather, and protect what's ours. But in this struggle for survival, there's an opportunity for adaptation, a chance to evolve and grow stronger. Imagine the human spirit unbound by the constraints of our current society. We'd have to learn new skills, develop new ways of thinking, and lean into our innate creativity to survive. It's not just about physical strength, but mental fortitude, emotional resilience, and the will to persevere. But survival is just the start. In the face of such drastic change, we'd find ourselves exploring new frontiers, both literally and figuratively. We might venture into uncharted territories, discover untouched landscapes, or even stumble upon otherworldly phenomena. But beyond the physical exploration, there's also an exploration of the self, a journey inward to understand who we are when everything we've known is stripped away. In the 0 day on Earth scenario, we're also forced to confront our ethics and our humanity. When survival is at stake, do we help our fellow man, or do we prioritize our own survival? Does the concept of right and wrong still exist, or does it get lost in the face of desperation? To summarize, the concept of 0 day on Earth presents us with a world reset, a world where survival is paramount, adaptation is necessary, and exploration is inevitable. It's a world that challenges our ethics, our humanity, and our understanding of who we are. It's a world that, while terrifying, is also intriguing, offering us a lens through which to examine our current reality and reflect on what truly matters. So, if you woke up tomorrow and found yourself in a 0 day on Earth scenario, what would you do? How would you survive, adapt, and explore? And most importantly, what kind of person would you become? As we ponder these questions, we realize that the concept of 0 day on Earth is much more than a sci-fi plot.